Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean shoe bottoms easily. This is a great way to get rid of dirt and yellowing on shoe bottoms. As you can see right here, I have some dirt on these shoe bottoms, but even if yours are clean and you have some yellowing, this method will likely work for you as well. Okay, you can also use this method to clean the bottom sole side of the shoe. So you can see right here, there's like this gummy portion over here. You can use this method to clean that as well, and it uses something that you probably already have lying around in your house in an excess amount. Okay, so what I have here is just very simply, okay, I have water, warm water, but the temperature doesn't really matter so much, and just some dish soap. So like, you know, the soap they use to clean dishes. That's why it has this green coloration. And I have a cleaning toothbrush right here. As you can see, this is a toothbrush that I solely use for cleaning things, okay? So you can use any cleaning toothbrush that you have lying around that you use to, you know, clean grout or anything like that, whatever cleaning toothbrush you use. So what you want to do is dip your cleaning toothbrush in that soapy water, okay? Then what you're going to do is pick a spot on your bottom of your shoe that you want to clean up and just scrub with that soapy water. Now check out the coloration change, okay? And this is going to be a quick thing. And I haven't cleaned these shoe bottoms before. So these have been worn some more, and I haven't cleaned these shoe bottoms. And look, with just a little bit of scrubbing, just a little bit of elbow grease, I'm able to get rid of the dirt and the dark coloration of the shoe bottoms. And if I have some yellowing going on, this would work as well, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take my finger, we're gonna move this so that all of the soapy mixture comes off. I mean, ideally you would wipe it with, you know, with a water cloth after, but I don't have one handy, and I just wanna show you that it's not just the color of the soap or anything like that. That's the color of the bottom of the shoe now. It's not just the soapy bubbles that are causing that coloration. Look, I've wiped everything off. This is completely, pretty much free of any soap on the surface, and that's the coloration. Look how quickly and easily I clean that. Within a matter of about 5-10 minutes, I could probably clean both of the bottoms of both shoes, including all of the bottom, all of the underside right here, and all of the gummy portion along the bottom as well. It works really, really well. Just get your soapy water mixture, get your cleaning toothbrush, and just scrub, and you'll see that the dirt and the yellowing comes out really easily, okay? It's an easy method, and this doesn't use any mixture. I've seen lots of solutions lots of methods where they use some crazy mixture that you have to concoct at home with stuff that, whoops, I almost spilled all of that, with stuff that you probably don't have lying around. This is something like I'm assuming you're gonna have dish soap and water that you can use, and I'm assuming you're gonna have an old toothbrush that you use for cleaning things around the house, and you know, you just scrub off the dirt. It does take a little bit of elbow grease. You are gonna have to work on it a bit, but it will get rid of dirt and yellowing and allow you to clean the bottom of your shoes easily. Like I said, the underside and the gummy portion over here. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.